Okay then, let's try this. So, here you can see you've got one of your homeworks, which is to do a substitution, and this is all does mean that the letters represent a number. So let's try this first one. So if A is the same as 6, I can see that A over here would be 6, and so I have 6 add 2, which is the same as 8. This one here is saying that C is equal to 5, so if I substitute C as 5, I can see that inside the brackets I've now got 5 add 6, which is 5 and 6 is 11. Yes it is. 5 and 6 is 11. Then I've got here is 4 times, because remember if the number is just outside the brackets, that just means 4 lots of, or 4 times what's inside the brackets, 11, which is 44. Okay, let's have a look at this one. If n is the same as 36, here would then I substitute n for being 36. I would then have 36 add 6, which is the same as 42. Yes it is. So now I have 42 on top, and I've got underneath 3. So I know that this just is like a fraction, it just means 42 divided by 3. Okay, so 42 divided by 3 is, well, 3 lots of 10 is 30, add on 12 is 4, so it's going to be 14. Okay, then over here I've got P is the same as 5. So if I substitute P as 5, I've got this part here being 3 lots of P, or 3 lots of 5, which is 15. Because 3 times 5 is 15. I then have to do the top part, 15 add 15, which is 30. So I'd have 30 on top over 2. So my new part now looks like this. And just like we did before, I know that something over something else, the bottom number just means I've got to divide then by 2. So 30 divided by 2 is, again, 15. And finally here, if I've got x is the same as 4, so I'm going to substitute x for 4, and now that just means 4 lots of x, 4 lots of 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. And I'm then adding on 8, so 16 add 8 is 24. So my answer would be 24. Let's have a look at this one here. So Elena and Aris are buying a new TV. They found these formula on the internet. So T maximum is 2D over 3, or divided by 3, and then add 3. And the T minimum is D over 3, take away 3. So the T max and T minimum, or min, are the biggest and smallest recommended sizes for a TV for the viewing distance of D. Okay, so in their house, they will sit 108 inches from the TV. So I know this 108 is equal to D, that's what the D is representing. Okay, so if I put this and substitute it into the T max, because that's what the biggest size is going to be, I've got 2 lots of 108, divided by 3, add 3. So 2 lots of 108 is 216. 108 times 2 is definitely, yep, 216. So if I substitute that top part here, so I've got 216 now, and I'm going to divide that by 3. And then I'm going to add 3. And then I'm going to add 3. So 216 divided by 3 is 72. I quickly worked it out on the calculator, but obviously you at home are going to be working it out with your bus stop method. So I've now got 72 add 3, which is 75. So I know that the largest size they should buy would be 75 inches. And I'm going to do the exact same for the smaller size that they should buy. So here I've got the T minimum, which was this part here, is the same as the distance, which is 108. So distance is 108 divided by 3, and then take away 3. So 108 divided by 3, which again you're going to do in the bus stop method. I'm just doing quickly on a calculator for purposes of this. 108 divided by 3 is 36. So then I would have 36 take away 3, which would be 33. I can do that bit in my head. 33. Okay, well there we have it. That's a modelled example of how you might be able to complete your homework. Remember, your My Maths homework is going to have different numbers, so feel free to watch this and try and understand yourself, and then have a go at completing your homework again with different numbers. Thanks very much.